top 5 mistakes ukulele students make. Number 1. When you use your left hand, you keep putting your finger on the lines. You shouldn't do that. Your finger should be at the center of the fret. Number 2. Moving your right hand wrist too much when you strum. Number 3. Blocking some strings you shouldn't be blocking when you play a chord with your left hand. Number 4. Putting 2 fingers on the same string without noticing. Number 5. Thinking the teacher never ever makes these mistakes. Hi, welcome to today's lesson. I'm going to teach you the chord of F major and we're going to strum it. Are you ready? So take the middle finger of your left hand and put it on the 2nd fret of string G. So like that. You see I'm at the center of the fret. Then keep your finger there and put your index on the 1st fret of string E. Yeah? And now I want you to strum it using your right hand. Look at what I'm doing. Really fast, okay?